Hello everyone, welcome back to Success Infotech, where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your mobile phone camera into a high quality webcam for your PC or laptop. Whether you are looking to improve your video calls, enhance your live streams, or just make the most out of your tech, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. But before we dive in, if this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to use your phone as a webcam, you need an application. Okay, so you install the application on your phone and then you install the application again on your PC or your laptop. Okay, so for Android device, you need the application called Dreadcam. Okay, so you install the Dreadcam on your phone and your PC, or you need an application called Iron Webcam. Okay, for Windows and Mac OS. Okay, and for iOS devices, you need an application called Epocam. It's for iPhones and iPads. Okay, or you need IfCam, another good option that offers both free and paid version of the application. Okay, so I'll install the application on my laptop, then I'll install the same application on my phone. Then we do that communication. So I'll open my browser, then I'll go to Google, then I'll type Dreadcamp. Okay, so I already set for it, so I'll click on this Dreadcamp for PC, and then I will click on this. Okay, dreadcamp.app. So Dreadcamp by Dev7 for apps. So I'll click on this. So it's opening. So I'll scroll down. Okay, I'll scroll down, and then we have the application for Linux client, we have for Windows client, and we have for OBS. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to go for the Windows client. So I'll click on that. So you can use it for Windows 10 or Windows 11. The requirement is supposed to be 64-bit. Okay, so I'll click on that. So download and install the latest webcam. So I'll download it. It's 80 megabytes. So I'm downloading the webcam. So when it's done downloading, I'll install the application on my laptop. Then I'll do the same thing on my Android phone, and then we do that communication. Okay, so it's done downloading. So I'll click on that. I'll go to the folder to which I have my download, and I'll double click on the Dreadcamp client for the installation. So I'll click on yes. Then Dreadcamp client setup. So this is the process in installing the Dreadcamp on your PC. So I'll click on next, and then I'll click on agree to the license agreement. Then I'll click on install. So the destination folder, you can specify the one that suits you. Okay, in my case, I'm going to leave the default. So I'll click on install. Now the installation has started. Okay, it's installing the Dreadcamp on my laptop. So when it's done, I'll do the same thing on my phone, and then we do that communication. Okay, so the installation is done. I'll click on finish. So let me close this. Okay, and minimize this. Okay, so now let me look for the Dreadcamp application. Okay, so Dreadcamp. So here is it. Okay, so I have it here. So this is it. I can create, I can ping it to my taskbar, or I can ping it to my start. So let me now install the application on my Android device. Okay, so I'll go to my Play Store. Okay, let me check one thing. Okay, so I'll go to my Play Store, and then I'll search for Dreadcamp. Okay, so I have it already. So I'll install the Dreadcamp Webcam Classic. Okay, so I'll tap on that. Sorry, then I'll tap on install. Okay, so now it's installing the Dreadcamp for my Android device. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so it's done installing. So I'll open the Dreadcamp on my laptop. I have it here, so I'll click on that. And then it's asking for me to add a device. So I'll open it on my phone first, and then I'll tap on next. I'll tap on got it, and then I'll allow everything. Okay. Okay, so I'll now add a device on my laptop. But it has to be on the same network. Okay, so I'll refresh the device list. Okay, so I'll refresh till I get the prompt to enter the name of the phone and the IP of the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'll enter the phone as Infinix. That is the phone I'm using for this tutorial, Infinix. Then I'll type the IP address for the Wi-Fi. So it's 192.168.0.176. Then I click on OK. Okay, so now it has given me the plugin to install. Okay, so I'll tap on OK on the phone. Then it will take me to Play Store. So I'll install this Dreadcamp, Webcam, and OBS camera. Okay, so I'll tap on install. So it's installing the OBS camera as well with the Dreadcamp, Webcam. So it's installing. Okay, it's done installing. So I'll tap on open and let's see what happens. So I'll tap on continue. So you can see from here, welcome to Dreadcamp. Dreadcamp turns your phone into a camera for your computer. Okay, so you can see it here on my phone. So I'll tap on continue, then I'll tap on OK. Then I'll allow Dreadcamp to take pictures and record video. Okay, so I'll allow Dreadcamp to record audio. I'll allow for that. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so now I have my Dreadcamp. So this is my phone. Okay, so this is my phone. So I'm using my phone now as a webcam. So let me use the front camera, and then now I'm using the back camera. So let me use the front camera. Okay, and then we see what happens. Okay, so now you see, so now the Dreadcamp is using my phone as a webcam. Okay, so you can use your phone as a webcam for your video calls, for your live streaming as well. So let me open my Microsoft Teams, and then I'll demonstrate this there as well. Okay, so I'll open my Microsoft Teams. So this is the Microsoft Teams. Okay, so I'm at the settings. So I'm going to change the video to like the video capturing to my phone. Okay, so let's go to device. So I'll click on devices, then I'll scroll down. Okay, so now the video settings, I've changed it to I've changed the camera to Dreadcam video. So it's using my phone as the webcam now. You see it. Now using my phone as the webcam. Let me go back a bit. Now using my phone as a webcam. You can see it from here, okay? You can see it. And I can change it to use my laptop camera, okay? This is my laptop camera, HP Wide Vision HD camera. So I've changed it to the laptop camera, okay? This is the laptop camera. And I can change it to my mini cam. I've installed that software as well. So for now, we are using the Dreadcam video cam, okay? So let me change it to that. Okay, so now you see, I've changed my video settings on the Microsoft Teams to use my camera as a webcam. So supposing you are having issues with your webcam on your PC or laptop, you can use your phone as a webcam for anything you want to do with regards to video calls, live streaming. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly smash on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon so that anytime we drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you very much.